Hey everyone, today we are going to be doing an explosion box. So this isn't something that I would necessarily recommend sell, but if you're looking for a fun gift for friends and family, this is definitely going to be a fun gift. So I am going to just make a little something, nothing major, okay? And I'm going to tell y'all the equipment that I have for this. First things first, I have a knife. You can use a scissor, but I would suggest using a knife. And I got these boxes from the Hello. Please like the video, comment the video. Today we are doing an explosion box, Miss Angela. I'm showing y'all my materials that I'm using. First things first is a knife. You can also use a blade or like a razor or something like, not a razor, but something to cut, okay? Because we're going to be doing some cutting. Next thing is boxes. So you can order some on Amazon, but I got these from the Dollar Tree because I just wanted to try this so bad. I saw this online and I'm like getting back into my crafting era. So I wanted to try this out, okay? So make sure you have a smaller box that fits inside of a bigger box. So these are the two boxes and they do fit inside of each other. I tested them before I left the store. Next, we're going to need some things to put into the explosion box. So with this one, I'm choosing candy. So I have these big candies for my big box, to line the big box. I have small candies to line the smaller box. And then also inside of the smaller box, I'm going to put a pair of socks. I don't even know who I'm going to give this to. I just wanted to make it. So make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. This is an absolute free tutorial because I love y'all and I appreciate y'all for shopping the sale. Andrew says, I bought a box from the Dollar Tree a while ago and never did it. They have some boxes that fit inside of each other. Yeah, exactly, Miss Angela. That's where I got these from, okay? But I wanted the bigger one. I saw the lady that did it. She said she got like a big box that was Christmassy. But I can't find it. But also, y'all, I bought these ornaments just to go on my Christmas tree. We will be going live and putting the tree up this year, okay? Hey, Shell, how are you? But those are just some extra things that I bought. So first things first, we're going to start off. Oh, and you also need double-sided tape, or you can use hot glue, but I say double-sided tape, depending on what you're doing. So I got double-sided tape. At the one that I went to, they didn't have the tall ones, okay? Otherwise, I would have got it. But they didn't have the tall ones. So I just got these. But like I said, it's not necessarily for somebody. So with this one, I'm going to cut or rip each square at the seams. So I'm not really good at cutting. Like I said, this is just a tester one. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. Don't be on here acting weird watching me. Sha says hello. Tisha says hello. So I'm going to try to just cut this box at the corners and then I'll show y'all what it's looking like when I get done, okay? Do not judge me. This is my first time doing it. I saw one tutorial and I said I got to try it at least once. Hey, Nika. So as y'all see, I'm cutting the seams on the boxes, okay? This is going to be an explosion box. So, it actually is cutting a lot easier than what I thought. So we are doing an explosion box. And so I'm not a professional at this. I just seen the tutorial, y'all. I know hey Queen, hey Nika, hey Smiley, hello everyone. I'm trying to get this box cut, y'all. Hold on. Oh, I accidentally cut into the actual box, but it'll be all right. Okay, so I have my box cut open like this, and then I have to cut this smaller box as well because it's going to explode also. Okay, Nika says they turn out so pretty. Thank you. Look, not thank you, but I can't wait to see this one. I'm sorry, Nika. I'm trying to focus on cutting it straight. How y'all doing today? How was Thanksgiving for everybody? Did y'all enjoy it? Did y'all have a good time? Did y'all have some fights in the family? What had happened was, y'all, for those of you that are new, don't be a weirdo. Be a supporter, okay? Like the video, comment the video. We are making explosion boxes, okay? My materials are double-sided tape, two boxes, one that fits inside the other. And then I have some goodies to line my box with. You can do this with pictures and everything else. This is just something that I saw done on a tutorial. And I would hold the box up, but I'm trying to hold it straight while I'm cutting, so y'all won't see this part. But just know, you need to cut down the side of the boxes, okay? Because that's how it's going to explode. Drop some hearts if y'all want to see the outcome of this. All right, so this is my second box. This is my first box. And now I'm going to go ahead and I want to put my candies on. I want to put my candies on there. So I'm going to take my double tape, take it out the package. All of this stuff came from the Dollar Tree, including the candy. Shayla says, I spent Thanksgiving by myself, and I'm so thankful for that. Sometimes you got to have that alone time. Like, since I've been in business and stuff, my butt, mainly I work during the holidays. Like, even yesterday, I went to my mom's house for a couple of hours, and then I ended up leaving. Okay, so unwind this protective tape. Okay. Okay, all of this is protective tape. So it says unwind this, and then I guess we're going to get to the double-sided tape after that. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend y'all necessarily sell these because it's a lot of work. I mean, you know, depending on what you're putting in there, it's work for a little bit of money. But this is something for, like, if you want to do something fun for your friends and family and stuff like that, highly recommend it. Okay, so I'm going to take my candy and I'm going to see how it fits on here. As y'all see, we're going to start off with like turtles. So I'm going to do, these are the candies that I'm going to use to do the big box. So we're going to do Godiva and we're going to do turtles, okay? I had to do this tutorial before I started eating this candy. So I'm going to lay my double-sided tape. I'm going to go ahead and line my candy with it, and then I'm going to match it up on the box where I want it to go, okay? Make sure I turn it right side up. And I want to center it. And make sure that whatever candy or treats that you get to put in these boxes, make sure that they actually fit the box before you take the box home, because otherwise you're going to be disappointed. So this is the first one that I put in there. And then we're going to do a turtles one. So I'm going to take my double-sided tape, get enough so it'll go smooth across the bar and actually hold it up. I don't want to put like a little piece and it doesn't hold. So I'm going to make sure it's right side up because I want it to look very professional, and then I'm going to place it inside the box. I can't wait to see how this turns out. I might actually get this to somebody that I like. I don't know yet. The next piece, another Godiva, double-sided tape. Y'all, if you are new to the live, like the video, comment the video. Please do not forget, my entire website is on sale. Our fall transfers, our fall sublimation transfers are 50 cents. And our regular sublimation transfers are $1. And then also we have discounted sublimation bundle bags. Well, not discounted, but these are mystery bags for sublimation. And then we also have courses on sale as well, okay? Y'all know I got to do my little commercial in there. I'm going to get on here and kick it with y'all, but business first. Business first, okay? Never forget the business. So this is what I have so far. The double-sided tape is holding up very well, so I'm grateful for that because I was not sure if it would hold. And we're going to do turtles next. Did anybody run a Black Friday sale? I'm sure most of y'all on here are in business. If you did not run a Black Friday sale, why didn't you run a Black Friday sale? What y'all got going on with that? What happened? What went wrong? I told one of my friends she wasn't going to do a Black Friday sale. I said, baby, do that Black Friday sale. This was like less than a week ago. She did that Black Friday sale and made her some coins, honey. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. And then I want to take the bottom of my other box and I'm going to put some double-sided tape on top of, well, hold on. I'm going to go ahead and put the little mini candy in there first. And then I'm going to put the double-sided tape. That way it's not let's do this right, y'all. Let's take our time with this. I don't want to rush and then be looking crazy and we don't get it right. So we are going to put some Hershey's. I got the cookie one, and then I also have the one with peanuts. And so we are going to put our Hershey's inside of this other box first. Now let me see how I can do this, and let me see if I can put, wait, where's this part? Okay, I want this part showing. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can fit a couple of these on each one. It's looking like it's gonna be one each, y'all. It's okay. So I'm going to take this. I already have my double-sided tape on there, and then I'm going to put it where I want it to go. And I want to make sure that it's good and centered. And make sure that your candy is right side up. I mean, I'm big on like aesthetics and stuff, so I want it to look really nice. I don't want to be looking crazy with the candy all turned any kind of way. I want it to look like, okay, she actually put some effort into it. Double-sided tape. I'm going to put it on my candy. Next, we might do a candy bouquet tutorial. When I first opened up my shop, I had products on hand, and y'all know I'm trying to get back into selling custom products. So I used to have products on hand, and one of the products on hand that was one of my #1 sellers was a candy bouquet. The candy bouquet was inside of a custom coffee mug. So this is what we have so far, y'all. And then I'm going to, I almost put it on backwards, but I'm going to make sure I get it somewhat in the center for the most part. I want it even with the other side, okay? Make sure y'all are liking the video and commenting the video. This is what we got so far. Make sure y'all like the video and comment the video, okay? This tutorial is almost over. Don't forget our website is on sale, brickwiththeblanks.com. If you need sublimation transfers, if you need sublimation blanks, or if you simply want to grow your craft business, then you definitely want to be on my website, okay? Okay, so now this is what we are working with. This is the smaller inside box. This is the bigger outer box, okay? So I am going to take the bottom of this box and the smaller box, y'all. Make sure you take the bottom of the smaller box. Put my tape down there. And I will tell y'all where I got the tutorial from, but I honestly don't know the girl name. I got it off of TikTok, so don't blame me. Don't blame the good guy. Okay, so now we have tape at the bottom. You can use as much as you want to, but I just used 2 strips, okay? Now I'm going to place this in the center, and then it's going to be taped down, okay? And there's a little gift to go on the inside, just an extra trinket. I'm going to put the socks in there. So this is kind of what it's going to look like when it comes open. And I will do the explosion with y'all on the live just so y'all can see. Hopefully everything goes right. This is my first time doing this. And the socks came from the Dollar Tree too. So that's why I said this is like a fun little quick gift. I'm going to put the box on, the smaller box top on, and I'll show y'all what that looks like in a minute. Y'all can talk to me while I'm doing this. So this is what it's looking like. And then we're going to put the bigger box top on. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. It is free to show support. Free to show support. So I am going to put all of this together. And then I'm going to let y'all watch it explode. I think this was good. I think this was fun. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Tisha said she made one with pictures. Yeah, I saw that, but sis, I'm lazy. I just wanted to try this out. I'm not doing it for anybody in particular. I just doing something, trying stuff. I saw it online. I'm trying to get back into my crafting era, okay? But this was the final project, and then let me show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so this is me taking off the top. Hey, Floretta. Tisha says, yes, it's time consuming. Yeah, I wouldn't sell these, but as y'all see, it didn't explode like I wanted it to, but this is what it looks like when you take the top off, and then they are supposed to take off this top, and technically this is supposed to come out, but I don't know why mine's not exploding like it's supposed to. But this is what it looks like. Cute little gift box. You could do pictures, you could do candy, you can do earrings and stuff like that. Like I might make one for my daughter with some makeup in it, but let me know what y'all think. This is my first time doing an explosion box. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all like the outcome of it, okay? Like the video, comment the video. Like the video and comment the video. And let me know, did I kill it or did I do okay with it? Did I do all right or did I kill it? Let me know. Let me know. Drop some hearts if y'all like it. Drop some sad faces if y'all don't. This is my first time doing it, so I'm not going to be upset. But this is the only box that I was able to find at the Dollar Tree to do this project for tonight. And I thought it would be fun to do it with my craft cousins. Let me make sure my box looks okay. Drop some hearts if y'all like it. Drop some sad faces if y'all don't. This is my first time doing the explosion box, okay? But anyways, this was pretty quick. I thought it was going to be a little longer. But I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. And I'm so grateful that y'all tuned into the video. Don't forget, we have $1 sublimation transfers. We have 50-cent fall transfers. We have mystery bags full of sublimation blanks. Then I was going to pack orders with y'all, but I got to go get my daughter in a little bit, so I don't want to get started and then have to stop. But I did pack the mystery bags, and I did go back to the shop and get the other small little items that people ordered. But also, I'm going to throw in 1 or 2 of the bags. Now, I know I said I was going to do it for whoever spent the most, but I am thankful for everybody that shopped with me. But I'm going to throw like some jewelry and a box of chocolate in one of the bags. And if you get it, then you my favorite. I don't know who gonna get it, but you my favorite. I'm gonna let the kids pick who gets it. So I'm probably gonna get started on that after I pick up my daughter, and I will see y'all tomorrow. I don't know, we might do the candy bouquets tomorrow. I'm gonna see. Now if y'all see me take the candy off of her and put it in a bouquet, just know it's because times is hard and everybody's struggling. So we got to reserve, okay? But I'm going to show y'all one more time for the new people. And if you are watching this video and the live has ended, please put hashtag replay in the comment section so I know you saw it. But this is, I thought it was going to explode more, like, psh, psh, but I don't know if my pieces are a little heavy or what. I don't know where I went wrong. I don't know if I didn't cut it deep enough. And then inside, they have more candy. And like I said, you could do pictures and stuff like that. But this is just a tester box from a tutorial that I saw. Drop some hearts if y'all like it. Drop some sad faces if y'all don't. But anyways, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. The dropship course is on sale. Everything on the website, BrittWithTheBlanks.com, is on sale. And I will put the link in the comment section just in case y'all are interested, okay? Just in case you want to grow your business with me. I need a theme song, y'all. And I should have named this website BrittanyHall.com, but because I keep putting BrittanyHall.com in the comment sections. Britt with the mother plucking blanks. I didn't cuss, Facebook. Said plucking. BrittWithTheBlanks.com is the website. If you have any discount codes or coupons from throughout the year, you can use those, even for the mystery grab bags as well. But all right, I'm done with y'all. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I'm glad that y'all tuned in to watch this video with me, okay? Peace out.